We've pretty much been below average for a good portion of the work week, and that continues to be the same for your Thursday. It was only 36 degrees for that high, 31 for that low. Very little differences, especially with the fact that we had a good amount of clouds, but also some rain and snow. Nowhere near the record of 84 or 10 degrees, but already sunset occurring at 8:47 p.m. and we're almost at 14 hours of daylight. Now going into today, the sunshine finally has returned. Temperatures were to warm up about a good 10 to 15 degrees throughout the UP, and we will take it. 43 in Munising, 56 in Iron Mountain. So some areas already topping out into those 50s, 52 in Ontonagon. And these numbers are going to continue to soar even more so as we go into your Saturday. But the wind still coming out of the north, and that is somewhat of a factor that did not allow those temperatures to climb even more so today, despite the fact that we had a good amount of sunshine, especially when they were blowing between 10 to 20 miles per hour. Stronger towards the south at 20 in Iron Mountain, 15 in Escanaba, but when it comes to the sky, that was just spectacular out there. Clear skies, and that's going to continue forward tonight. May want to grab that telescope and just check out the constellations and the stars and even the moon outside. Now going into tomorrow, great sunshine. Take advantage of just being outdoors. It is just going to be wonderful out there. Great spring day. And then by the time we get towards your Sunday, it kind of begins to fall apart, unfortunately, just a little bit. We are going to introduce a cold front pushing through. It's going to begin to lose energy when it comes to the rain and snow, but when it comes to those temperatures, it's going to pack quite a punch. So take a look at tomorrow and then take a look on your Sunday when it comes to that thermometer. You're going to notice a very big difference. You're going to be running towards that jacket. And then by the time we get towards the work week, what pretty much happens on Sunday is we're going to introduce clouds into the area. And we're pretty much going to see mostly cloudy skies for a good portion of the work week as we deal with a couple disturbances very close to the UP. But for tomorrow, set up high pressure in control. Just no complaints whatsoever from the plains all the way through the Great Lakes. It's going to be a wonderful spring day, but you can already see towards the north a little bit of trouble starting to develop as it makes its way from Canada now into parts of Minnesota and North Dakota. There's the rain and the mixed precipitation. We will begin to see some of that action as we go into your early hours of your Sunday. So we could see a couple of snowflakes mixed in with some of these rain showers, but it's nothing too heavy because, like I previously mentioned, a lot of the moisture is being dragged out of it. But when it comes to those temperatures, that will be very noticeable. Now, by the time we get towards your Monday, we are going to begin to see those clouds still linger around as we introduce another disturbance coming in from the west. And this one's going to bring a couple of showers to the area by the time we get towards your Tuesday. Now for tonight, though, 30 degrees. Beautiful night ahead. Winds out of the northwest at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Now going into your Saturday, we're going to have those winds coming out of the west at 5 miles per hour. So with those winds beginning to shift a little bit more out of the south and out of the west, that's really going to allow those numbers to really climb. Some areas are going to try to get close to 70 degrees. You can already see 66 in Iron Mountain, in Florence. Further towards the north, though, into those upper 50s, 58 in Houghton, 61 in Marquette, 56 in Escanaba. Just make sure to wear those sunglasses tomorrow if you are going to be outside. Going into your day planner, sunrise occurring at 6:50 a.m. But then by tomorrow night, especially after midnight, that's when the clouds will begin to invade. We will begin to see shower chances only at 20%. And that's where I'm going to keep it as we go into your Sunday, because it's really going to be more clouds than anything. And really just that those thermometers really falling down very quickly as we go from your Saturday into your Sunday. Only 37 degrees for your high, eventually rising pretty quickly by the time we get towards your Monday. But we'll keep the clouds throughout the area. As you can see, another chance of rain possible on your Tuesday. And then as we get towards the middle of the work week, we'll keep it somewhat quiet. But then by Friday right now, the models are still in conflict if we're going to be dealing with rain or snow. But it's looking at least a decent shot at 60%.